Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English. Today, we'll learn a woman's daily routine. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Let's start. It's time to get ready for the office. I have a busy day ahead. I need to be on time. Let me take a quick shower. The water feels nice. I'll wash my hair. I'll use some shampoo. I'll rinse my hair. I'll dry my hair. Now I feel fresh. I'll apply some moisturizer. I'll comb my hair. I'll tie my hair. Let me get dressed. Which outfit should I wear? I think this one looks nice. I'll wear my blue shirt. I'll wear black pants. Let me iron my clothes. Now they look perfect. I'll wear my watch. I'll put on my shoes. I need my office ID card. Where is my ID card? Here it is. I'll put it around my neck. I also need my laptop. I'll pack my laptop. I need my charger. I'll put it in my bag. I need a notebook. I'll take a pen. I can't forget my phone. Is my phone fully charged? Yes, it is. I'll take my wallet. I have my keys. Everything is ready. Now I'll prepare my lunch. I'll make a healthy lunch. I'll cook some rice. I'll cook some vegetables. I'll fry some chicken. Lunch smells delicious. I'll pack my lunch. I'll put it in my lunchbox. I'll also take a bottle of water. Everything is packed. Let me check my bag again. Laptop. Check. Lunchbox. Check. Water bottle. Check. Wallet. Check. Phone. Check. Keys. Check. I'm ready to leave. I'll lock the door. Goodbye, home. Have a great day. I'll walk to the bus stop. The weather is beautiful today. Here comes the bus. I'll get on the bus. Good morning. One ticket, please. Thank you. I'll find a seat. I'll enjoy the ride. I'm almost at the office. It's going to be a productive day. I'm on time today. I'll go to my desk. I'll turn on my computer. I'll check my emails. I have several new emails. I'll reply to them one by one. I'll check today's schedule. I have a busy morning. I'll organize my tasks. I'll write a to-do list. I'll start with the most important task. I need to finish this report. I'll work carefully. I'll save my work. I don't want to lose my files. I'll answer a phone call. Hello, good morning. How can I help you? Please hold on for a moment. Thank you for waiting. Have a nice day. I'll attend a meeting. The meeting is about to start. Let's begin. That's a great idea. I agree with you. Let's discuss it later. I'll take some notes. The meeting is over? Now I'll continue my work. I'll check the documents. Everything looks good. I'll send the report. The report has been sent. It's almost lunchtime. I'm feeling hungry. I'll wash my hands. Time for lunch. I'll eat my homemade lunch. The food is delicious. I'll drink some water. Lunch is over. I'll take a short walk. Now I'm feeling refreshed. It's time to get back to work. I'll do my best today. My work is finished for today. Great job. You finished today's lesson? I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.